In this video, we're actually going to make disinfectant wipes to go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo. What? Another exciting video we have. Today we're going to make the disinfecting wipes version to go for your loved ones, for your kids, whenever they go to school, to the park, or every kind of occasion. Instead of using Clorox, this time we're going to use alcohol. What are the ingredients that we're going to use today? Rubbing alcohol. We need it to be 70% or more. Because we're mixing it with water, the ratio is going to be a little bit higher. But if you can get higher percentage of alcohol, better. Soap, just regular dishwashing soap or anything like that. The basic essential oils, your preference. So right now I have lavender and sea breeze, a mixing cup, and water. That's it. This is all you need to make the disinfecting wipes. So what we're gonna use today is some basic towels. Alex stole this from I don't know where. So this is for you guys. You don't have to do that. I did not steal them. You can buy your standard towels from your local stores, and you can also take a regular size Bounty, right? You cut them in whatever size or whatever pieces you want, and then this will be basically your Clorox wipe, which the same size as the ones that he stole. I did not steal them. Somebody else gave them to me. So, all right. First thing you want to do is you want to cut it to size for the container that you want to use it in. So we're going to use a bag this size, and so we're going to be cutting them about this. Just cut them in half. Okay. I was going to suggest we use the scissors. You like using the knife because in the last video we use a knife. So if you watch that video, it's right there. All right. So we now have our paper towels ready. Okay. And what you want to do? Place them in the bag. Okay. Great. Now we're going to mix the ingredients together. All right, so first things first, we're gonna need 12 ounces of water, quarter cup of rubbing alcohol. We add a little bit of soap, a few drops. We got 3 to 4 drops of soap. And for this one, we're gonna use the lavender. Once again, how much do you add? It really depends up to you. Then go ahead and stir it up. Now, if you notice, it has a little bit of bubbles. That's usually when people get those wipes to do that. Another tip, if you actually find those to-go wipes, all you need to do is create this concoction, pour it inside those wipes, and it will make or add a little bit of the disinfectant. You want to do the honors? I will do the honors. Certainly, sir. So you start pouring it lightly and let it soak in. You move it around a little bit, make sure that it soaks up all. Don't throw the rest away. You want to make sure that you safely store it and put it away. So what you want to do with this, you want to leave it sitting for about 10 minutes so that the napkins can get all the liquid and soak up really well. You leave it sitting there and you come back. I guess we're going to be back in 10 minutes. All right, so we are back and the towels look pretty moist. In this case, it has a little bit too much of the solution inside. All you need to do is pour it back. And that's it. Just leave a little bit more there so that the towels can stay nice and wet and moist. Now, this you can create a lot more of these to go for your entire family. So now we're just gonna try out our brand new scented sanitizer wipes to go. So let's see, you're going into a place and you're gonna open up the door, touch the surface. They don't have to use their hands, they can use the wipes. And also to clean your hands. This is a little bit less harsh on the skin. I always recommend if you want a little bit more moisture, a little bit of vitamin E just makes it a little bit less harsh on the skin. The last thing that you want to do is you want to label the container so you know what it is. Alex, you want to show them what we're labeling our to-go wipes. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Awesome. So these are my Team Kelo wipes and I'm taking them to go with me and I'm going to enjoy these. I'll take these. So if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll make sure to get back to you as soon as we can. All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss any of these amazing videos. Beep. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Team Kelo, what? This is done. ¿Tú quieres llevarte el Clorox wipe?
Yeah, heck yeah, I'm taking it.